So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MD Learnings. So you have seen my last video which was on macros, and I have showed you how to create a macros and how to record it, and what is macro I explained in that video. So today in this video I will show you how to edit a macro, because as you can see on my screen, in this some of the data I have I have not spelled correctly, like hiring date it should be, but I have mentioned hiring data. And see, after applying filter, these all like employee ID D is not visible properly in the similarly in the column B also E is not visible in first name and middle name. So already macros is recorded, everything is done, but how to edit it? How to edit the recorded macros. So I will show you today how to edit the recorded macros with using VBA, and how to create a macro button. So let's start. So as you can see, I have this data. Okay, this yesterday in my last video which I have uploaded, in that I have showed you the how to record macros using this record macro button in the developer tab, and I will show you how to edit a recorded macro. So for that we have to use VBA, which is here, Visual Basic application. Okay, so we just have to click on this, click on Visual Basic. After once you click on this, you can see a separate box, okay, separate screen opened. In this so you can see Microsoft Visual Basic for application. So in this, what we have to do, we have to search here what macros we have created. So we have created in the modules, you can see click on this one. These are the macros, these two are the macros which we have created. So we have to click on this second one which I created last time. So just click on this. Here you can see whatever working we have done on that sheet, Excel has converted, Excel was recording, and it is saved in this codes. Okay, these are the codes. Excel is, every time whatever we are recording in macros, Excel will convert it in the codes, and we can edit it using VBA. Already macro is recorded. So what we have to do in this, if you will go down, first thing what we have to do in this sheet, in place of hiring data, we have to make it it is required hiring date. So go to your VBA screen and go down, just search where is hiring data. Okay, so here you can see all the headings like employee ID, first name, last name, emails, exit, extension, location, hiring data. So here I have to make a change, and in place of data I have to mention hiring date. So just make it hiring date. And apart from this, you can see here what is the thing key, after applying filter, my some of the data is hidden, some of the header is hidden, it is not visible properly. Employee ID D is not visible properly. In same way, first name E is not visible properly. So filter we have applied after expanding after expanding columns. So what I will do in this, go down below, where is the filter? Here you can see at last we have applied filter. Okay, after auto fit, first we have done auto fit, then we have applied filter. So because of that, some of the field is hidden, it is not visible properly. So what we will do, this auto fit code we will just remove from here, Control X, and we will mention it after this auto filter code. So here you can see selection.auto filter, cells.entire column.autofit. So I have removed it and I have mentioned it below auto filter. So after this, what will happen? Auto filter, after auto filter, auto fit will apply. So just done, this is done. Save this, Control S, and close this. Now see, now what is the next step? Next step is we have to create a macro button. My macro is already recorded, but how we can use it? What is the next step to use it? So I will show you. Here I have a raw data. Okay, this is my raw data. So same format, same heading, with the same font and with the same whatever field I have edited, I need it for this sheet. So I will show you how to create a macro button and use it for this sheet. So for this, what we have to do, just go to your developer tab. Here you can see there is a controls. Okay, in this control you can see insert. In insert, just click on insert. In form controls, you can see so many options are there. Okay, so here you can see a command button. Okay, so this is what button we can create a macros button using this command button. So just click on this button, and in the right side of the sheet I will just draw a button. Just draw it. Okay, just draw it. Here you can see now command button box came. So what I will do, I will just close this first, right click, and I will format control. So I will just make some changes. Size is okay, protection is okay, it is locked, properties. So okay, this is done. Now you can see this command button object. What we have to do, no, delete this first. Again we will try this. Just go on this button, and this button, this not command, we have to insert this button, this one. Okay, this is also a command button. So just click on this, and what I have to do, go to this Control Z. Just see once again, just go to this control and this button option, click on button, just create a button, and here you can see these are the macros which we have created. This is the macros which I have created because I have given a name format table 1. So for which macros you are going to use this button, first you have to select the macro name. What we have already, we have created the macro while recording, we have given the name. So that macro we have to give use here. I need to use that macro. So which macro you want to assign for this button? So I will assign this one, format table 1, which I have created in my last video, and I will select it and I will give it a name like format table and click OK. This is the macro button. Okay, now you can see the magic. This is the table. Once I clicked on this button, you can see the changes. Everything is done. Everything is done. You can see I have made the changes in hiding. It was previously it was higher data, and after editing the recorded macros using VBA, it came higher date. So this was the macro button. Once again you can see how we have done this. No, cancel and delete this, and once again we will see. Once again we will see for this. Okay, what I will do, I will delete this. Okay, and I will just, what I will do, I will make some changes again in the sheet. I will remove the dollar. Okay, Okay, and this also I will make it, I will change the format again. I will take something else. Now you see this is again, this is the raw data. So what I have to do, I have to click on this button, and once you click, everything will be done. Whatever macros you have recorded, it will be applied on this sheet. So just you have to click on this, and here you can see the changes. Everything is done. So this was how, in my first video, I have showed you what is macros, and how to record a macros. Okay, so that was my first part, and in this finally I will show you how to edit a macros using VBA, and how to create a macro button. So I hope you guys like this and you guys learn this, and just keep learning, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.